නෑ මම හිතනවා ඔක්කොම පිළිගන්න. Sorry, yeah.
It's okay.
पूजा करा ये पूजा करा पूजा करा सुबह लुत्ता और दक
Which channel? That's on.
No, नहीं मारी मारी सैम देगाम साधु क्या है ना say sadhu sadhu please 3 times.
Sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu means may you be well and happy.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for devoting the time for attending these functions at the Indiana Buddhist Institute. We are about to commence with the chanting of the blessings, and the monk will take over now.
Happy New Year to all of you. Today is the Sri Lankan New Year 2006. Most venerable Sangha, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Swana. Today, with the permission of Reverend Devananda, I volunteer to explain to all gathered here the meaning of the ancient ritual which is about to unfold. It is a beautiful ritual whose objective is to purify and calm the mind and unfold its potential as the petals of a beautiful flower unfold to the first rays of the life-giving sun. We begin the offerings that all of you have brought today to Lord Buddha as a mark of respect and gratitude. We are grateful to the Buddha for his teachings, showing us the way to eliminate suffering and achieve happiness. Reverend Devananda will first pay homage to the Buddha, take refuge in the triple gem, namely the Buddha, the Dhamma, his teachings, and the Sangha, the disciples of the Buddha, the venerable monks. And then he will administer the 5 precepts. I will now explain to you the meaning behind the homage to the Buddha, refuge in the triple gem, and the 5 precepts, the Pansil, and finally the gathas that Reverend Devananda will chant to you for the benefit of those who do not understand the Pali language and for the benefit of our special guests to understand what we Buddhists believe in. First, paying homage to the Buddha. It means homage to him, the Blessed One, Worthy One, the perfectly enlightened one. Secondly, we take refuge in the Buddha, Dhamma, and the Sangha, and this will be repeated thrice. Taking the 5 precepts, we call it Pansil, means that you are making an honest and sincere promise, an ethical purifying commitment to ourselves to make ourselves spiritual and consciously ethical. That is the meaning of the 5 precepts. Firstly, the 5 Buddhist first precept means I undertake to refrain from killing or harming any living beings. I will be mindful and show reverence to all life. Second precept, I undertake to refrain from taking that which is not given. Avoid stealing. The third precept, I undertake to refrain from improper sensual activity. Avoid sexual irresponsibility and sexual misconduct. The fourth precept, I undertake to refrain from incorrect speech, avoid lying and any form of hurtful speech. The fifth and the last precept is I undertake to avoid indulging in intoxicating drinks and drugs which diminish clarity of consciousness and cloud the mind because of its obvious consequences to society and to ourselves. Reverend Devananda will chant these gathas to you in Pali. You may chant with him if you so wish.
Say sadhu sadhu please.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Say namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa.
Namo tassa
Bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Dhammang saranang gacchami.
Dhammang saranang gacchami.
Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Sanghang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Tatyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Tatyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Tatyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Panati pata veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Panatpata veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Adinadhana veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Adinadhana veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Kamesu miccāchāra veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Kamesu miccāchāra veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Musāvāda veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Musāvāda veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Suramere majjapama daṭṭhāna veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
Suramere majjapama daṭṭhāna veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami.
සාදු කියන්න.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
සූදානම් කළ බුද්ධ පූජාව ලෝතර බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේට පූජා කරනවා. පූජා වේවා. මේ උදාර චලුත් අවුරුද්දේ සෑම දිනාටම නිදුක් වේවා. හැම දිනම නිදුක් වේවා, නිරෝගී වේවා, සුවපත් වේවා. ඔබ යහපත් පැතුම් ඉටු වේවා. මියගිය සියලු ඥාතීන් පින් අනුමෝදන් වේවා. බුදුන් දැක නිවන් දකීවා කියලා සාදු කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Now we have taken Pansil, we have purified our minds, and many offerings are made to the Buddha now. We light lamps, we offer flowers, and we offer food items. By these offerings, we wish to obtain blessings and mental